Hi, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Coldsmith application. Coldsmith application is an app that allows you to track your cold plunges and have breathing exercises, and almost a year later I released the app for Android. I've recently bought a cheap Android phone. It is Xiaomi Redmi Note 14, something like this. I'm going now through the onboarding process. Onboarding is pretty short. I explain users the benefits of cold plunge and what kind of results they want to get. I try to get as much information as I can, but I don't want onboarding to be long, because I've noticed that long onboardings are for teams that really know copywriting great and marketing. I don't really know a lot about copywriting. I'm trying my best, but whenever I shorten onboarding on 3 of my apps, the conversion rate improved. Coldsmith app is available on Android right now, and here it is. It has two modes. One is stopwatch, so you press start, you enter the cold plunge, and then whenever you leave you press pause, or you use the countdown mode whenever you like, okay, I need to last at least 30 seconds, 45 seconds, minute, 2 minutes, however long you want, and use the countdown. And it has some nice alarms. I've all generated the alarms using 11 Labs. Play you some of those. Okay, here's another one. So I added those cinematic, feeling good alarms to make user feel accomplished. Also, I've added breathing exercises. You can start breathing session, and it's either guided session with a voice over. That's actually, I recorded the voiceover for it, and then I used again 11 Labs to change my voice to have more fitting vibe for calm breathing exercise session. I'm going to give it a listen.
Inhale. Exhale.
You can add music.
Exhale.
Also, I created the calm music using 11 Labs API. I really like 11 Labs. I've built another app based on 11 Labs that allows you to create beats to rap to. I'm going to record a separate video about that. I really like this feature. It feels good to use this. I really like that I have this app on Android device, that it's not a flagship device, it's a lower end device, and it runs really smooth. I've used my knowledge of React Native and some AI coding to finally bring it to Android. The main issue I had was to build an Android Wear OS, or whatever the Android watch system is, app, and connect it to the Android app. I don't have an Android watch. I might have to buy it in the future. I released the app on Android a few days ago. I've updated my Coldsmith landing page yesterday and added a link to the Coldsmith app to the Play Store. This is the official launch of the Coldsmith on Android. I'm really happy I finally got to do it after 1 year. During that year, I've finally finalized my ship React Native boilerplate, and I'll be able to launch multiple apps on both systems altogether. And my next app I'm going to release on both systems altogether. I already have 3 app ideas. I haven't started building them yet. If you want to build your applications faster, then go to shipreactnative.com. Take a look. I have a nice freebie in there. And if you want to get the boilerplate I made, I'm really proud of it. This is going to be updated for a long time. And yeah, that's the video for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.